Our Changing Earth, chapter number 3 from Geography. The Earth, our homeland, is a dynamic planet. It is constantly undergoing changes inside and outside. The second lesson we studied about interior of the earth. Just like an onion, the earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. The uppermost layer over the earth's surface is called the crust. It is the thinnest of all the layers. Just beneath the crust is the mantle. The deepest mine in the world, that is in South Africa. It is about 4 kilometers deep. In search for all engineers who have dug a hole about 6 kilometers deep. To reach to the center of the earth, which is not possible, you will have to dig a hole 6,000 kilometers deep on the ocean floor. Then the innermost layer is the core. Changes in the earth surface. The earth crust, that it is made up of various types of rocks. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by thin layer of soil. The lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. The lithosphere is broken into number of plates that is known as lithospheric plates. The changes on the earth's surface is due to two types of forces, endogenic forces and exogenic forces. Endo means inside and exo means outside. That is the word origin. Endo means inside and exo means outside. The forces which act in the interior of the earth are called endogenic forces. It refers to the forces that occur or that act in the interior of the earth. The forces that act in the interior, that occur beneath the surface of the earth. Deep inside the earth core, heat is generated. The heat is transferred upward to the mantle, causing it to slowly circulate. The movement of the lava applies forces, and that type of forces that are known as endogenic forces. The forces which act in the interior of the earth are called endogenic forces. And the lithospheric plates that are also known as tectonic plates. The lithosphere is broken into a number of plates that are known as lithospheric plates. Then comes earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden movement of the earth crust which originates naturally at or below the surface. The lithospheric plates move, the surface of the earth vibrates, the vibration can travel all around to the earth. These vibrations are called earthquake. What causes earthquakes? Sudden movement of lithospheric plates or tectonic plates. Earth's surface is subjected to endogenic forces occurring from beneath the Earth's surface. This force makes the plates move at a very slow speed. The movement of the lithospheric plates causes changes on the surface of the Earth. The Earth movements are divided on the basis of the forces which cause them. That may be endogenic and exogenic. Endogenic forces sometimes produce sudden movements. Sudden movements examples are given earthquake or another example that is given the sudden movements, that is volcanoes. Then some important terms related to earthquake, that is focus and epicenter. What do you mean by focus? Here we can see the picture focus. It is the point of origin of the earthquake. Focus, the place on the crust, the place in the crust where the movement starts. That is called a focus. Sudden movement occurred deep below the crust or mantle, causing tectonic plates to move vigorously. Concentric shock waves generated from this point. Okay, epicenter. It is the point on the Earth's surface which is directly above the focus. The place on the surface above the focus is called a epicenter. An earthquake that is measured with a machine. What is that machine? That is known as a seismograph. The strength and magnitude of an earthquake that is measured on a Richter scale. An earthquake whose measurement is above 7 on the Richter scale, it causes huge destruction. Then another important one that is given, tsunami. When the epicenter of earthquake is in a seabed, it causes huge tidal waves, which would have devastating effect on seashores. Such phenomenon is known as a tsunami. Then another important sudden movement, that is volcano. Volcano is an opening or a rupture or a venture in a planet's surface which allows hot molten rock, ash and gases to originate. Volcano is a vent or an opening in the earth crust through which molten material erupts suddenly. Change on the earth's surface, mountain ranges and trenches. Slow movement of lithospheric plates cause changes on the earth's surface. Collision of plates creates a mountain system of earth like the Himalayas and huge mountains or fold mountains. Okay, that is also one important point related to these endogenic forces. Here comes the summary. It occurs beneath the surface of the earth. It causes natural devastation and physical changes in the earth surface. The physical changes that are given here, that is earthquake, volcano, then the formation of this type of the movement of lithospheric plates causes changes on the earth's surface, which creates mountain system of earth like the Himalayas. Okay, please read the portion that is given, our changing earth.